Every day, you are making your brain better, or you are making it worse. Stay with us to learn how you can change your brain for the better every day. This is a conversation you need to have with yourself as well as with your kids. What do you want? Your brain makes happen what it sees. You have to tell your brain what you want clearly, specifically, and repeatedly. Ask yourself, what type of parent or grandparent do you want to be, and what type of kids or grandkids do you want to raise? As a parent and grandparent, I want to be present. My father was mostly gone when I grew up, and we didn't have a great relationship until much later in life. I also want to be firm and kind. Remember these two words, and almost everything you do as a parent or grandparent will work out. Firm, when you say something, mean it and back it up, but do it in a kind way with empathy and compassion. Kindness is not giving in to tantrums because it makes them more likely to happen. If you allow kids, young or old, to manipulate you through anger or even anxiety, you teach them that's how they get their way. The rule in our family is if you have a tantrum to get your way, the answer is no. It will always be no. Go ahead and throw the tantrum if you want to test it. When they find out it doesn't work, and make sure it doesn't work, kids generally find a better way to control themselves. Good parents are like good coaches or good bosses. They notice what you do right and teach when you could do better. They inspire and motivate while maintaining positive relationships. They are flexible and always learning. Ineffective parents, like bad coaches or lousy bosses, think of the worst boss you have ever had. They notice what you do wrong and never let you forget it. They demoralize those around them, are rigid, negative, and believe they are always right. After you write down the type of parent you want to be, write down what type of children you want to raise. We want to raise mentally strong kids who are responsible, competent, and resilient. Likewise, have this conversation with your kids. Ask them to write down what they want in their relationships, school, money, and health. Clarity of goals brings more intentional behavior.